Hi guys, we're just gonna show you all how to update your Holden VE Series 1 version 2. So first you'll need two USBs. You need one for your Canbus and another for your system. Just make sure that when you have these USBs that you format them to FAT32 and that they're completely empty and there's no other files on them. And then you just go to our website and download the Canbus onto one USB and the system to another. Make sure there's no folders or any other files but the files for each update. So first we start with the Canbus. Just plug it into the USB port of your unit. We go to folder, go to your USB, and then here you'll see the Canbus update. So click on that. And then you go to install down here. And then after that, it will install onto your unit. And now once the app is installed, just go to open and go to Can Update. Click here, let it do its thing. And then you'll get that little prompt and it will say here, update successful, go OK. So after you do the Canbus update, we now do the system update on your other USB. So plug it into the unit, go to settings, go to car settings, and scroll down till you see system update. Click there, and then this little box should pop up. If this doesn't pop up, that means that either the files on your USB are in a folder or your USB hasn't been formatted correctly. In that case, you'll have to reformat your USB to FAT32 and re-add the files on their own. So just click the USB and then the system update will begin. And so your unit should restart, reboot, and then you should see some green text pop up along here. If you see this, then it's working correctly. So just wait for that to be done. If the text does come up as red, that usually means either the files are corrupted or something's gone wrong. So like I said before, just reformat your USB, re-download the files, and put them onto the USB. And that should hopefully fix it. So your unit should restart. And done.